Hi, my name is Harita.
My name is Bailey,
and this is our robot. As you can see here in the video, the robot is conducting the accident avoidance mission.
The code that we are doing includes motors A and E for the most part. Our robot goes front, does a clockwise rotation, and goes straight past the blue line. This scores us 20 points.
Another mission our robot completes includes the bridges and package delivery. For this mission, we use both gyro and line coding. Our robot starts at home, then starts line tracing to push both bridges down. Then it comes back and performs a turn in order to complete the package delivery. We are still working on bringing the robot back home, but we plan on using line tracing to bring it back. This is the extension used for the mission.
As we coded our robot, we faced a lot of challenges. One of our main problems was consistency. We kept using gyro to make our robot more consistent, but that didn't always work. We then changed our focus on alignment. That seemed to help, but there were still problems.
We learned that we can't always be 100% right, so we focus on other tasks. Organization is also a key element in our code. Without this, our robot would mess up the code and perform the wrong missions.
One of our favorite missions include the bridge and package delivery, safety inspection, and unloading the cargo ship.
The most important thing we focus on is having fun, cooperating with each other, and learning from our mistakes.
Drop your last names out. They don't care to know them. It's probably some good
The lessons that we learned in FLL is learning to take our time, and everything doesn't have to be perfect the first try. There's going to be a lot of bugs, and as time goes on, you can fix it with time.
We use a lot of gyro and line tracking to help us get more consistent, but yet the robot still wouldn't work, so we focus on alignment. That also didn't work as well, so we just focused on other tasks. One of our favorite missions was the bridges and the package delivery. For the bridges, we used gyro coding to make the robot go straight, push the bridge down with this extension, then go back and push down the other bridge. We then made the robot turn so it would go front and hit the tiny pedal thing, so the cargo package would fall off. That was our first mission.
Another one of our favorite missions was the unloading cargo ship, because that took the most creativity that we had to use for attachments. And another one of our favorite one is airdrop, because it used a lot of line tracking, and that's one of our favorite things to do. Now let's move on to the innovation project. Here is a diagram of our innovation project. The problem we decided to face was to find a way to make transportation more efficient.
We plan on focusing on the cargo ships getting backed up. To solve this issue, we turned toward the infotrucks. Our idea was to develop a vehicle to go both on land and water and deliver cargo more efficiently.
The features that are most useful for our vehicle also helps with our issues. First of all, our vehicle can go at a top speed of 50 miles on water and on land, which can help in time. Secondly, it runs on solar power, which is safer for the environment and more versatile.
Finally, it has a built-in GPS that is so specific that it tracks where each package is going and coming, that is in communication with other trucks. These are just the basics of what our vehicle is capable of. It is also capable of holding up to 50 boxes in all compartments.
This is a brief description of what our innovation project is based upon. We didn't choose cost or improved networks or economy. We mainly focused on efficiency.
One of our ideas we were focusing on were rocket delivery to and from space and truck deliveries. These didn't work out as well.
And so we also tried to maybe consider doing air transportation and trains, but the efficiency wasn't really working out as we wanted to.
And we finally focused on submarines and having postal services as the source. But they all had negative aspects to it, so we just stuck to our infotruck, which is more versatile and more efficient to the environment.
This concludes our presentation for the FLL tournament.